All right, class 11, exercise 5.1, we had to take up first question, set of questions. They are asking you to express in a plus ib, that is the standard form of a complex number. So they've given certain expression here which we have to reduce and bring it in that standard form, a plus ib, a real number plus I times another real number. Okay, so the first expression given to you out here was 5i multiplied by minus 3 by 5i. So naturally, like simple multiplication in algebra or in numbers, 5 and 5 gets cancelled here. So this minus 3 number as it is, and then I into I you multiply to get I square. Value of I square we know is minus of 1. So simplified form, the answer is 3. The next one, I to the power of 9 and then I to the power of 19. Okay, higher powers of iota we had studied. So we had seen that we are going to write them as multiples of 4 plus minus whatever, and then certain first 4 powers were defined. So 9, if I write I to the power of 9 can be written as 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. And here as multiple of 4, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19. Okay, why did we write it like that? Because we know that I to the power of 4 becomes 1. So this would reduce to 1 square, and then plus means into another I. Okay, law of indices we are familiar with. So this one can be expressed as I to the power of 4 to the power of 4 into I to the power of 3. Okay, this can be written as into I cube. So again, because of these rules, that I to the power of 4 is 1, and then I cube we had seen is minus I, because we split it as I square into I. So this expression becomes 1 into I, that's simply I, and this is again 1. 1 to any power remains 1 only. 1 into I cube, and I cube is minus 1. So your, minus I. So your plus I and minus I gets cancelled, and the value comes out to be 0. Okay, now the third one was given to you as I to the power of minus 39. So first, this minus you will reciprocate. You'll make the power positive. So this will be written as 1 upon I to the power of 39. Again as multiple of 4. So 4 9s is 36. So we'll split and write 39 as I to the power of 4 into 9 plus 3. 4 9s are 36 plus 3 39. Okay, then again I to the power of 4 to the power of 9 and into I cube, and we know this becomes 1. 1 to any power is 1. So we are left with I cube in denominator, and I cube further is minus of I. Okay, so it becomes actually 1 upon minus I. अभी हम I denominator में नहीं छोड़ते हैं, standard form लाना है हमें. So for that we'll multiply it by I, so that I into I becomes I square, which becomes minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 will make it plus 1 here. And then 1 into I, in numerator you have I now. So the simplified value of this would be only iota. Okay, now the fourth one, see, that's simply like your plus minus into algebra problems. Okay, so you distribute this 3 inside the bracket naturally. So this becomes 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are 21 with I, of course. Then this I will be distributed inside, so this becomes 7i, and this becomes 7i into I square. Now both of them are i's, like terms like. Okay, so we can add them. So this becomes 28i, and this I square is minus 1, so this becomes minus 7. And so numbers plus 21 minus 7 ends up giving you 14. So in standard form it's actually 14 plus 28i. Same way you had this fifth one. This is already simplified. Now to open this, you need to distribute this minus inside. So this becomes minus minus plus 1. This becomes minus 6i. Now put your real part with real. 1 plus 1, 2. Imaginary with imaginary. So these are different ways of writing it. कुछ में I पहले लिखते हैं, कुछ में I आप बाद में लिख सकते हो. That makes no difference. So either of the two is your answer. Sixth one is also similar. You just need to put the real part with real part here. This minus distributed. So this becomes 1 by 5 and minus of 4. Then for I, if you put all the imaginary parts together, you had 2 by 5 here, and then you'll have minus 5 by 2 from there. Simple addition subtraction, that's minus 20 plus 1, which gives you minus 19. So that's your real part. And this again taking LCM, so that's plus 4 minus 25, which is minus 21 upon 10. Hence your answer. Okay, next seventh one, you had two numbers to be added, I should say 2 complex numbers to be added and the result to be subtracted from the third. That way you can see it. So simple your BODMAS algebra rules. So again you have real part with real, 1 by 3 and plus 4, which gives you 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3. Then if you put your i's together, from here you had 7 by 3, from here 1 by 3, which becomes 8 by 3i, and this minus distributed inside would make this plus 4 by 3 and this one as minus I. Again we'll put the real part with the real part obtained from here. So that's 13 upon 3 with 4 by 3, which becomes 17 upon 3. Then 8 by 3 with minus 1 becomes 5 by 3. Okay, so simple these questions are. Now the eighth one, you have to open it by your identity. The algebraic identity is being very much true for complex numbers as well. Okay, so we will, if there is that fourth power, simple way of doing it is split it as a square is a square, because we do know a plus b or a minus b whole square. So we are going to write this as a 1 minus I square. Open this bracket first and then square it again. So square of this 1 square is 1 and I square, that is going to give you minus 1, would cancel out, and then third term product term minus of 2i, which further on squaring would give you plus 4i square, then I square is minus 1, so this becomes minus 4. Okay, so simple algebra lagani hai aapko, there's no problem there. Okay, just solve this bracket first, simplify it to the maximum and then square it again, obtain your answer. Likewise in the ninth one, that was a cube. So open that cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Simple. Open this. 1 upon 3 whole cube gives you 1 upon 27. Then 27 I cube. Okay, and then from here you had 3 into 3 in numerator and you square this, 3 square in denominator, would cancel out, so you're only left with I here. Then for this part, this 3 will be squared, these two 3's, 3 and 1 by 3 is getting cancelled, 3 square is 9 I square. Okay, simplified further, 1 by 27 यहाँ का आपका real part था और ये भी real हो जाएगा. My I square will be minus of 1, so that becomes minus 9. So 1 by 27 minus 9. Subtract that taking LCM and then put your i's together. You had, this becomes minus I, right? I to the power of 3 is minus I. So minus 27 i's and plus I gives you minus 26i. Now in the 10th one, children, it was minus 2 and minus I upon 3. So what I've done is from both I've taken that negative sign common. Writing negative so many times would be time consuming, confusing. So we know cube of a negative number is always negative. So I've taken negative common from here. दोनों negative थे, negative आपने common ले लिया है, and negative का cube will be negative. So I've put that negative sign right in front. Now I'll simply open this by a plus b whole cube, और जो आंसर आएगा उसमें माइनस साइन फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दैट इज योर a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Simplifying, that was 8 already. This becomes minus I upon 27. This becomes 3 and 3 again cancel to give you 4i left here. And here your 3 square. So one of the 3 is getting cancelled. So 2 upon 3 and I square बच जाएगा. I square again will be replaced by minus 1. So ये real part में आ गया आपका minus 2 by 3 and with 8 which gives you minus 22 by 3 and I is collected together. So 4 into 27 minus 1. That's your answer.